Good morning to all. We are starting today chapter 15 geometrical figures. Question is draw an angle of 60 degree with the help of scale and compass. It means in geometrical figures we have to draw the following diagram according to the questions. So angle of 60 we have to draw with the help of scale and compass, not with the help of protractor. Now see it properly that first we have to draw a line. Here we have to write A and here we have to write B. Now taking a small radius without any measurement, taking A as center and draw an arc with the small radius which cut AB at point C. Now taking C as center and the same radius, no need to change the radius, at the same radius taking C as center, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point D. Now join AD up to E. Now this EAB is equal to 60 degree. Let's measure by protractor. So see this EAB is equal to 60 degree. So like that you have to draw in your notebook. So here we have to write step also. First step is draw a line segment AB of any measure. Second step is taking A as center and radius, draw an arc. Which radius? Any radius, small radius we have to take. Now which cuts AB at point C. Now third point is taking C as center and same radius that we have taken before, same radius, draw another arc which cuts previous arc at point D. Now join A to D and extend up to E. Thus angle EAB is equal to 60 degree. Like that we have to write the step also. Now our second question is draw an angle of 120 degree with the help of scale and compass. So solution, here we have to draw a line segment AB of any measure. Here write here point A and here we have to write P. Now again take a small radius, taking A as center and draw an arc. Which cuts the line segment AB at point C. Now taking C as center and the same radius, taking C as center, draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point D. This D point is your 60 degree. Now again taking D as center and the same radius, draw another arc which cut at point E. And this point is what, your 120, because 60 plus 60 120. Now join AE up to D. So this is your 120 degree. Let's measure this 120 by your protractor. See, this is your 120 degree. Like this you have to draw in your notebook. So step we have to write, draw a line segment AB of any measure. Second, taking A as center and small radius, draw an arc which cuts line AB at point C. Then taking C as center and same radius, draw an arc which cuts previous arc at point D. Now again taking D as center and same radius, draw another arc which cuts previous arc at point E. Now join AE to extend up to F. This point we have to take F. Now, thus angle FAB is equal to 120 degree. Do these questions in your notebook, and in your homework draw again this diagram only.